In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add numbers in Notion. We'll walk through a simple and quick way to calculate the total of a number column in a Notion database, like a list of expenses, quantities, or hours worked. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click to see a running total without doing any math yourself. First, open your Notion page with the database you want to work with. This might be a table of items, a task list with estimated hours, or maybe a budget tracker. Make sure you already have a property that contains numbers, such as a quantity, amount, or hours column. Start by moving down to the very bottom of that number column. You'll see a small area under the last row of data, usually showing a word like count and sum, or sometimes nothing at all if you haven't set it up yet. Click directly on the label under your number column, for example where it says quantity. This is the footer area for that column, and it's where we can tell Notion what kind of calculation we want. Once you click on that footer, a small menu will pop up. In this menu, look for the option labeled Calculate. Go ahead and click Calculate. This tells Notion that you want to do something with the numbers in this column rather than just leave the footer empty. After clicking Calculate, another list of options will appear. You might see a few common choices right away, like Count All, Count Values, or something similar. These are handy, but they're not what we want right now. Since we're trying to add all the numbers together, we need to open the full set of calculation options. To do that, look for the option that says More Options at the bottom of the menu and click on it. This expands the list and shows you all the different calculations Notion can do for this column, including averages, minimums, maximums, and more. From this expanded list, find and click on Sum. Once you select Sum, Notion will immediately calculate the total of all the numbers in that column and display the result in the footer area you just configured. Now, whenever you add, remove, or change a number in that column, the sum will automatically update. This makes it really easy to track totals without touching a calculator, whether you're managing a budget, tracking inventory, or summing up hours. And that's all you need to do to add numbers in Notion using the built-in sum calculation.